Hey friends, if you wish to disable updates in Microsoft Word, then that is not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Click on File at the top left corner and then you can select Account. If you don't find it, click on More and then you'll find Account. Just click on Account, okay? Now you'll find update options here, but before that, I should let you know that if you update Office, it is updated for all the apps that are mentioned here. For example, right now it's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. But if you click on update options and disable updates, then you're not disabling updates for Microsoft Word. You are updating it for, you are disabling the updates for all of the apps mentioned here. So the updating and the license and everything are associated with the entire Microsoft Office package and not any one application. Practically, we cannot disable updates for Word alone. If you're updating it, if you're disabling the updates, we're doing it for all the options. Okay, and again, to enable it, select Enable Updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.